So here you can see the menu. I'm going to create a new page though, a new page here. I'm going to call it this documentation. This is the page that we want to display on top of the page. Sorry, not that, not there, but on top of the menu. So it will be, I'm looking for documentation. Alright, and after that, so let's add this to do documentation. I'm going to add that there. So let's publish this. And the other one that I want to add is the download page. That probably, just as reference, will be a page for you to check on downloads and everything. So download. Okay, so let's add that here to do documentation. Alright. Alright. There's no parent. Okay, good. Okay, so we have this done. So if I go to menus now, you will see that, okay, so yeah, it asked me to create a new navigation. I create a new one called navigation. I'm going to select this to be on the header. I'm going to put here the download and the documentation menus. So I'm going to add this menu, and I'm going to move first the documentation, then the download. So I'm going to save the menu like this. So in theory, if I go here, it should have some. Okay, something went wrong. Okay, so call to member function nav on non-object. Okay, that's because, okay, this is not global. So what we need to do here is very easy. This is the thing. So you have the $nav function that should be accessible by all the themes in the website. But the issue here is that in our header.php file, let me open this. The header is calling actually here is calling a function. So all the variables inside the function has a specific scope. So this is not being accessed by this specific template. So in order to solve this, we can take a specific create a new function here, and we're going to call this like this. If not function exists, and the name of the function will be theme, then we're going to create a new new function which will be global, and the function name will be called theme. Okay, and what this theme function will do is very easy. We'll call to globals global theme, and we'll return the theme value. This is the quick fix for this. Okay, so we did this. Let's add a comment. It adds enables a theme variable for quick access on templates, and it sings 101, and this will return an object. Okay, so instead of doing that, if we go to theme, instead of calling to the theme variable, we're going to call to the theme function nav. So in this case, let's double check if this works. Yes, we have the about portfolio documentation download. These are the two ones that we want to keep. So we're going to, oh yeah, let's double check this is working fine. So look at the way this is created, navigation bar, right? Yeah, exactly the way we want it. So we can remove this because this is something that we didn't want it, right? Page stop. What is this page? Oh, we need to add this. Okay, so we're going to add this specific URL. So in order to do this and do this quick fix, we're going to add a custom link. The URL will be this, and fix. And link will be empty. Can we add a class here? I wonder. Okay, let's add this. Custom link, and okay, title attribute Okay, move down, and navigation label, menu item. Look, there's no label now. I want to be blank. Okay, let's see if this cell is saved properly. All right, so let's see if this works fine. If I go here and I see, is there the page stop anywhere? Okay, so we have the download, we have this, and we have the page stop. Perfect. So we can remove. Oh wow! Well, look at this. Wow. Okay, we're going to add a special CSS fix for this. So look at this. This is what we're going to do. Okay, so this is exactly what we're going to do. How can we fix this? Is there a way for us to include a specific item? Okay, let's see. WordPress nav menu. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Container menu, theme location after. Okay, after. What is this? After. Optional. Okay, output text after a. Okay, before. Okay. You know what? We're going to fix this in another way. We're going to do this. Look at this fix. This is a very clever thing to do. So we have here the actual way this is going to be displayed. We're going to add the link here. So this link over here, the top thing, will be added here. Problem solved. That's it. So now we can remove that from the WordPress thing over here. The settings. Let's remove this link. Remove this. Save. And if we come here to the nav, we can remove this whole thing. And bam, voila, we have the header fixed and working fine. Done. See documentation, download, bootstrap, perfect. Works absolutely great. Now there are two things we need to fix this. No, sorry. First is the this menu thing issue that is happening here, and the other one will be to place the correct what is this? The correct footer that we want for this. Right. So let's add. Let's work first on the footer, which is more easier to do. So we're going to do this. Should we? Let's see. We can have a special MIT license icon or something like that. How we can find? Oh, MIT. That's how it works. Do we have this on Font Awesome? Font Awesome. Let's see if it has a copyright. Copy. Okay, there's no copyright. Let's see, icons, and if we go to CC, okay, they have CC. Now what's this? Copyright. Okay, let's copyright this. This is CC Creative Commons. We want MIT. Did they have MIT? Oh, there's no MIT license. Copyright by 3. What is this? CC. Oh, okay. Co-license under. We are going to copy this. I'm going to paste it here. MIT license. Obviously, we're going to add a specific link for this. And the code for this is let's copy this MIT license. That I'm going to add this as spam so it's more readable. Spam. For spam, we'll do this. icon will do this document. And that's the document license can be downloaded here, it says. Alright. So we have this done. So we add temp, extract this, and the content is this. You can even add a year here. Like this. Look at this. Open spam. We'll open PHP brackets, and we do a echo date, and we want to echo only the year, current year, and with a space over here. If we refresh now, our template will look like this. And there's weird. Okay, this is not a dot. I don't know why. Okay, that will look better. Okay, it's better. 2015 code license under MIT license. I really want the MIT icon there. How can we get the MIT icon? Okay, never mind. I don't want to focus too much on that. Okay, let's continue. And we want the next step will be to add the GitHub project here. So we're going to change this a little bit. So here we have on the footer below, so that's okay. Oh, we have these two things over here. I'm going to change it to, let's remove this. Oh, look at this. Okay, I'm going to change this to 6 by 6. Name it. So this will, the first one will be a project repositories, and like that. Okay, and what we're going to look for is, let's see, how can we get the widget for this? If I go to my GitHub, get this. Is there a way to get a widget? View on GitHub widget. How can I get the widget? If I go to settings, branches, web services, where can I get a widget for this? Where I can get the widget for this. Get on widget. Where I can get the GitHub. Oh, okay. This is the thing we're looking for. No, not this. Oh, these are widgets actually. Yeah, they are. These are the widgets. The unofficial GitHub cards. We don't want the unofficial GitHub cards. We want the official GitHub cards, but for the projects, right? Unofficial GitHub cards for your GitHub profile. We have repositories. Yeah, we want this. GitHub widget. All of these things looks better. No, we don't want that. GitHub repo badge. Oh, this is no. How these guys get this? Let me open one of these projects. I can see maybe on social likes GitHub. See the pages. These guys had a page, I think. Demo. Where do these guys have a page? I'm pretty sure these guys have. Or let's see Bootstrap. Get Bootstrap. View GitHub. Where's want this. Probably going to use this at some point. They have a bower here. They don't have a bower. Oh my god, these guys should have a bower. Is it? Oh, GitHub cards generator. Okay. If I add this repository or the, where is it? Profile, and I don't know, Wordpress plugin. But add this here, what happens? Oh, it creates this. That's good, but how it looks like? Default medium. On cards, okay, but I don't see it though. We have the script for the widgets, and we have the GitHub card. I don't see it though. It should be here, right? Oh, there are a lot of issues here. Oh, it's because this is wrong. It should be like this. Oh yeah, I like it that way. It's much better. Alright. Okay, I like it. Oh wow. I will use this on the downloads page though. Yeah, we'll use it on downloads page. It looks very clean, very nice. I really like it. I will use this one. It looks much better. We can actually change the background, I think. Alright, that's good. I like it. Okay, good. So that's done like that. We're going to change something here though. Let's see, what information is important to display in the footer? Project repositories, like links, that stuff. Maybe Twitter, my Twitter maybe. So I deleted the previous thing. I think I'm going to bring it back. So Control C. Okay, so I have that one there. I'm going to add this one for 6. Oh god. So let's copy this one here. Okay, so 6, medium 6, medium 6, and as okay, so that's for the around the web. Social. I think I will put my my information here. So let's add this one here. And so Facebook. I don't know. I'm not going to include my Facebook. I'm not going to include my Google Plus account. I'm going to include my Twitter, my LinkedIn. And GitHub, why not? They have GitHub, right? Alright, so let's do this. Alright, find me on the web. Alright, so let's add my Twitter. It will look like this, right? Refresh this. Alright. Actually, it shouldn't be me, it should be the GitHub project. I don't like it. Why this guy? Oh my god. Why is it like this? Let's check this. So it has this outline. Why is the text like this? Okay, it's being like blocked. Let's going to change this. I'm going to create a span over here. So we have the actual icon. I'm going to give a space, and we will have a spawn. Actually, view on GitHub. There. I don't want to complain myself too much. So I have that one there. GitHub. Done. And what else? View GitHub. In this case, if this is clicked, we're not going to show this project. We're going to show the website, the theme project here. So go to repos, the WordPress dev theme. This is the one that's going to be shown here. I don't like how big this is though. I think it's too big, this style here for the footer. I'm kind of lost. Wait a second, let me close this. Alright, so we have this done over here like this. Oh man, this space is too big. View on GitHub. There's one option. Sorry, font awesome has a WordPress icon. Let's check WordPress. Oh, they do. That's nice. I'm going to use this on the header. Okay, so here on our header, let's go to the header. Let's finish all the touches here. Our navigation says starts bootstrap. No, we're going to change this to WordPress dev. Like this. Load this. WordPress dev templates. WordPress dev templates. Documentation. Okay. Like this, we will print the main menu. So here, okay, href. Now we should not go to the main menu here. We should go to actually to PHP echo get site URL. Bam. Here's where we want to go when the user clicks there. Okay. Bam. We'll go to here. I don't know where's this is lag there, but yeah. There and documentation, document downloads. That's fine. All right, looks good. WordPress developer. What developer is it? All right, so obviously we need to change them in the first page, but at least the initial website is okay. I think, let's see. We should check for. This is the landing page. What we want to display here. Okay. All right. Let's focus now on the documentation type page. Documentation page template. All right. Let's do that first. Okay. So it has there documentation downloads location. Here we are going to add important links. So we want to change that to. That. So we're going to copy this navigation here onto the actual where's this to the actual footer here. Please. I'm going to paste this. Oh, you know what? We forgot to add the this page we forgot to add a comment on top of the page. We're going to add that right now. So we go to the header and we're going to copy that. So let's go to the header here, and let's add it over here on top of this. And a header, footer, just call it footer. Okay, and we're going to copy this because we're going to use as main configuration this. Okay, so in this we're going to call to menu documentation, no, menu footer. Right, probably it doesn't exist. So actually we need to add this before this, like this, before the div. Alright, so we're going to change this like this, and if there is a footer, so we're going to display the content inside this, like that. Alright, and we're going to test this. So we're going to first refresh this. Obviously it will not show anything because there's no content there. So I create a new navigation here. Look at this, create a new navigation. Footer links. Okay, let's create this now. Just for now, we're going to add only the download thing. So let's add this here. This will be on the footer menu, and let's add a custom link here to grab the license out actually. So let's go to the, where was the license thing that we copied for? Let's open this, and it should be this one, right? Which one of this we're going to present? Creative Commons. It's not Creative Commons, man. It's an MIT license. Let's copy this one first instead. Let's copy this and let's paste it. Where's the menus? And let's paste it here. It should be called license. Add to menu and save. Right? So we go to here and we refresh this. We have it like this. Obviously, we don't want to include this bullet thing. So we go to Bootstrap components or CSS. I think it was in the CSS. Let's check for the lists on typography, and we're going to remove list and style list. So we're going to copy this. We're going to our configuration controller. We're going to paste this over here. Just in a second, we're going to use it. We're going to copy this. It should be for menu documentation. We're going to use list and style. We're going to copy this on the class thing over here. Paste it. Here, refresh it. Oh, and Y. Let's inspect this over here. So it does have URL maybe links. Oh wow, it's not including what we were looking for. Oh yeah, because menu footer. Okay, like that. Yeah, makes sense now. Refresh this, and it still doesn't work. All right. All right. So we should include list style to the URL to the UL. Why it's not working? Let's try to fix this. Oh, list style, it is doing that thing. It's because many of the menu box size and box it's style. Oh no! This is list unstyled. It's completely wrong. Yeah, I don't know why I copied that very wrongly. If we refresh this, bam, there you go. So we have links, beautiful there. We have the GitHub, on GitHub there. We should add here the information regards to the theme actually. So let's copy the information in regards of the theme where we get the where was that? We have this on the where is this footer header style thing. Yes, here. Okay, so let's copy this because because we want to include that on our footer. Okay, because we got the template from here. All right. Who is the author of this? Patch 2, license 2, and the contributions. It doesn't say who the author is. Voice Start Bootstrap. Is that the author? Start Bootstrap. Okay. Okay, so we're going to add that here. So let's go to the navigation. What is that? Footer. We'll add a special enter over here, div in this case. Template by start bootstrap. Let's add a link here. What the hell? Okay, never mind. Let's copy this and let's copy start bootstrap. Let's copy this full name. Alright, so let's copy this here, paste it over here, and let's refresh it and see how it's looking. Template by start bootstrap. There you go. Much better, much readable. So we have all the links there. We have that menu properly placed. WordPress Dev Templates. That's good. We can also include the WordPress. All right. So we have that there. What the other thing we need to do is now we need to create the page for documentation, the documentation template, and the template for the default. What is this? The default page, maybe. You can add a section thing over also. So let's do first the template for the documentation. So for this, we're going to create a new page template. We're going to add something like this. So will be new. We're going to create a new. Let me copy. I have something very similar stored over here in another template. So let's copy one of these page templates I created. This is enough. So let me copy this. Let's remove this. Let's go back to the title. So template documentation page. That's the name of the template. Let me see if with underscore will work. Page documentation.php. Not Vegas. I don't define the working on that. Remove this obviously too. Let me copy the other comments over here. Let's do this. Alright, so template name documentation page. Description should be and well, that's the description page for a page template for documentation. That's what I want to display here. So for this, let's copy the one that we have on the single first. Okay, so let's go back to the single. Let's find the single somewhere. That's fine. Functions, main. Let's start closing things. Oh, we forgot to change the nav. We're going to fix that in a moment. Don't worry. Let's copy this. Let's paste here. So we will not have a header, obviously. We will have a title, so we want to display the title somehow. So I think the first thing we will want to do is display the title. So we're going to call the h1 a header, and I think it's the title that we need to display, right? So wait a second. So So if we have actually content, then we will proceed. If not, we will not. Okay, so let's do this. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is to call to the Python. Pretty much like that. And then we're going to have a content container row. That's fine. Alright, wait. While it's here. Alright, so container, we're going to have two things here. First, on the right side, I want to create a bootstrap row. Let me change this and make it more readable. Alright, so we're going to add a here, a bootstrap row. This will be small, medium, or maybe here we will have the sidebar. And the other one will be the bootstrap row column, small of 8, right? And we're going to copy the content, and we're going to display the content here. And on the other side, okay, look at this. H place, bam. On the other side, we'll have the menu. So we're going to the footer. So this is the template. Right? We have this. To copy this, paste it here. Right. And if there's a menu, we'll display. Probably going to display this in what is this? In panel. But for the moment, let's just do this menu documentation. Menu documentation. Yeah, paste it over here. And what we're going to do is let's remove this. I'm going to change it in a little bit. Let's remove that. And what we're going to do is what I want to do is figure out. No, actually, this should not be here. Yeah, it should not be here. Yeah, it should be not here. It should be here. Yeah, like that. Better. Okay. Alright, so we have like that, and if we refresh this, okay, with this, oh yeah, I know what I'm missing. I'm missing this as well. Alright, so if I refresh this and I go to the documentation here, it will not show anything at all. If we edit page and we change the template to documentation page, we update this, we should have something different. New page. Obviously this is the page, but okay, this is the actual page. What is that working fine? That's working fine. The index is working fine. The documentation template is working fine. Obviously, you have this over here because it does have this thing doesn't include a wrapper. I don't know if I want to display the background white. Probably yes. Okay, so let's do some things. First, let's check on how I want to display the menu on the left side. Okay, so let's try to do something like this. Let's figure it out. So documentation probably going to have a page called. I'm going to try to mimic what I'm going to include in the actual documentation for the page. So if I go to menus, let's see on the dashboard. Yeah. Let's add a new page. Let's call this page. Actually, it's not a page. Yeah, let's call this controllers. controllers controllers information. Let's save this, publish this. This is not a, doesn't have, oh yeah, it does have a parent. Parent is document. Documentation page. Oh, sorry, that's not. Document is the documentation. Updates. Okay. So if we go to, let's go to menus. Let's change this a little bit. So menus. If I get here and create a new menu, documentation. Let's create the menu. Alright, so we created this menu and we're going to add the controller over here. First of all, let's add a custom link for this. It will be just a header. How can I add a header without affecting anything? All of this, we're not going to add anything. We're going to add this MVC add to menu. Alright, so let's add this MVC add to menu, and we're going to add a page now. It will be the controllers add page. It will be a sub menu like this, and it will be in the documentation menu. So let's save this. Alright, now if I come, now I think I can see the page now. Let's see how it looks like. We can actually change the way it will look like. Alright, so it looks nice. Actually, it looks very nice. The only thing I don't like is the actual action over here, because it will not work at all. Well, how can I change this? The MVC. Okay, first things first. So this is actually what we wanted to do. Let's see. We can do this by HD. Okay, so if it is a alright. Why does it have a sub menu here? I have this add this like a but with href equals to this in the what is this plus menu/item. Oh fuck. Sorry. I am okay. So in this case we can remove text, the decoration, none. Okay. Text transform uppercase. I think there is affecting this. Font weight. Bold. Right, so it is working. Font size. Let's make it medium normal. Small is the one that, so let's call it on larger. And what else? Maybe, yeah, like that looks nice. Oh yeah, cursor. Normal, none. Obviously we need to change this. Oh wow, wait a second. Oh, it's not what is default. Yep, like that, so it's not a link. Right, we're going to add this specific thing also to prevent defaults. So this is what we're going to do. Okay, let's copy this. Oh, I copied on the CSS. Install the CSS. We're going to copy this over here. Like that, and we have that, and we're going to copy this selector. And on the JS freelancer, we're going to add a custom here. remove link git link events on headers. So we do this jQuery, we add the selector, and on click, call to function, E is open function, we do a E dot prevent default, like that. Okay, so we refresh this. There's no event. Good. We're making progress here. That's good. Okay. Okay, I like it. I like the way it's looking at. It's looking at. Sorry. All right. So what else should we do here? The header. We can change the header to look very better. Yeah, we should change a little bit. Let's first see if we can remove these dots over here. This should be the same style here, like this. Unlisted. So on our main class, where is our main class? On our main class, footer should not be the footer. Style freelancer. No. Oh, I'm lost. Let me close everything. Okay, on our main class. Where's our main class? Theme, views are theme main. Okay, here. Not here, sorry, on our controller actually, configuration controller. We want to add the same thing for the menu download documentation. Like that. So if we refresh, let's see what happens. No dots. Just a little dot over here. Okay. No problem. We can remove this. Actually, it doesn't look that bad, but actually it looks bad. Let's change this. I don't like the way it looks like that. Yeah, I don't like it. And I don't like it at all. Okay, so let's change this. Yeah, so in order to change the bullets, you see, remove bullets from URL. Okay, so what we need to do is list style none. That's what we need to add. Okay, that's good. So let's see the menu item, menu documentation container. Alright, so let's copy this class. It's way easier. So if we go to the style.css, we add a new class here. Obviously, menu documentation dot what specific target this sub menu. Okay, sub menu classes. So it's sub menu once add the style called. Let's go to the CSS. What was this? Okay, this style on this set. So let's copy that there, and we refresh this, and bam, done. Remove everything. Okay, let's start copying these things over here. That's good. All right. We remove this. We only have that behavior, which is the way we want it. What else can we do here? Okay, let's add a couple pieces of code and just see how this documentation looks like on this template. Because what we can do here in our page documentation is add a section called, in this case, we documentation. We can make changes visually to the all the documentation text. So let's do this. Let's add a text, random text. Freelancer, we do this. So random text. Okay, now let's copy this. All right. So we go to the documentation edit page. Paste it over here. Okay, we need to add more things here. Okay, let's add a link. How it looks like. Let's copy this random text link, paste it over here, add link. Let's update. We need to add some sort of some special features here, but let's see what this page looks like. Yep, looks nice. Although you see the space here for the menus quite big. And what happens when we make this? Yeah, I think we can make it shorter for sure. So let's do this. Let's make this shorter. Maybe one like that, just to verify it looks nice. Alright, looks nice. Looks very good to me. Alright, looks good. Alright, so that looks very nice. Okay, so what we want to do, I want to change the way this looks like. Let me go to Laravel. I'm going to copy how it looks like on Laravel. It's like my reference for this. Alright, look how nice this looks like. Yeah, we should make it look like this. Yep, it should. I'm pretty surprised that there's no header on the WordPress menu. There should be some way to add a header here, aside from all the things that I just done. Okay, there's themes, menus. Alright, so let's see. Listings, yeah, we could add like modifications, but I don't want to waste time here. Really, I don't. So let's change this. Add this special thing over here. So we're going to do this. Color. Maybe 23. No. 888. No, 777. Yep, looks better. We're going to add a padding bottom of 10 pixels. Doesn't affect. Okay, so display block. And we add a border bottom. And it will be 1 pixel. We dotted. And it will be maybe 888. Right. Alright, so maybe we can change this to width of, or maximum width of, maybe max. It looks good then. I don't want to change that. Okay, 10 is too much. Let's make it 5. And a margin bottom as well. It should be margin top, sorry. Oh, sorry, margin. Okay, let's change the margin. Margin bottom 5, and margin top of 20. Sorry. Okay. I want to see how this looks like with more options. So that's something that I can easily change. So I will show you how to do it. Let's copy this style in here. Just create it and save this. if I go here to the WordPress thing, let's try to mimic this. Let's add a new maybe the downloads thing. Let's add it to the MVC as well. Over here, oh damn, over here, oh wow, over here, and I'm going to add a new special category thing. So we're going to add a new custom link. Yeah, custom link is right of this, and let's add it. Call it like I don't know, like routing maybe, or not MVC, maybe cache. Something that feature that will be added at some point. So cache, and let's call it controllers. Let's add it here and save it. And see how it looks like. Alright, so you can go here, refresh it. Oh, it looks quite messed up. Alright. Why? It's because the display should not be like this block. Oh wow. Wait, the menu's. Oh, right. So the menu's wrong. Like that. See. Sorry. Okay, let's test this and see how it looks like. Refresh this. Yep, looks nice. Cache, and yep, looks very nice actually. Alright, so we can make this a fixed. I don't know if I wanted to make it a fixed though. Yeah, we're going to make a little change for this so it looks very, very, very clean. It's very easy to just scroll through the documentation. So what we're going to do is, this is what we're going to do. Look, we're going to come to the documentation page, documentation here, and for the content over here, we're going to add this a wrapper. Call it like that, a class wrapper. Alright, so we're going to copy this, and that, and blah, and blah. Alright? Okay, so we're going to refresh this and look at the trick we're going to do here.